Good afternoon. I am Kiara B. Segovia from the Bachelor of Physical Education 3, College of Teacher Education, Central Philippine State University, and I am from Cabancalan City, Negros Occidental. So my research is all about the students' engagement with dance organization in Cabancalan City, skill enhancement, and self-expression. The background of my study, and this is the overview of my study. Dance engagement enhances both technical skills and personal growth, particularly self-expression and confidence. Cabancalan City's dance organizations play a crucial role in nurturing young dancers through the regular training and diverse performance opportunities. And the students improve physical abilities such as coordination, rhythm, and also develop emotional, social, and expressive skills. The studies show dance enhances physiological and psychological well-being, fostering creativity, self-esteem, and social interaction. The problem context. While dance is often seen as a way for students to express themselves, simply participating in dance or focusing on self expression may not always lead to better skills. So, there aren't many studies that specifically look at how being involved in dance organizations and expressing yourself through dance actually improves a student's dancing abilities. So, self expression isn't always enough. Just letting students express themselves and dance without structured approach may not be enough to make the better dancers. And the significance of the study. So the results of the study may benefit the following. First, we have students in Cabancalan City. The study directly addresses their development, highlighting how participation and dance organization enhances both their technical skills and personal growth, including emotional regulation and self-expression. So next, we have dance educators and organizations in Cabancalan City. Understanding the balance between technical skill development and creative freedom will allow them to create more effective and holistic learning environments. So the third one, we have the community members, yes. By highlighting the importance of dance in fostering creativity and personal growth, the research could encourage greater community engagement with the arts. And next, individuals seeking therapeutic benefits of dance. The research could inform the development of dance-based therapies, especially for the stress reduction and emotional well-being of not only for the students but also for the dance educators. And then, lastly, researchers in dance education. It will add to the understanding of how structured dance programs impact the various aspects of students' development, informing future research in the field. And that's all. Thank you for listening.